Hello everyone, welcome to Geometry video tutorial series wherein we are going to talk about some most amazing features of Geometry for Jira. My name is Shaunak Amin, working as product specialist at Geometry, and today I'm going to talk about some exciting features of Geometry wherein we are going to see how we can perform export operations. So once you click on bulk operations, you can see Geometry allows you to export your current test assets which are created into an Excel sheet by clicking on export to Excel. So we are going to see how we can do it. So we can just select the number of test cases which you do want to export by selecting the checkbox, or even you can select all, or even you can just search it out by, let's say, by its key or summary, or even you can apply the filters. Let's say I do want to click do it by labels, wherein I do want to export only those case cases which are been having the label that is, let's say, admin. Or you can also select all based upon your own requirement. Then select the test cases, go to bulk operations, and click on export to Excel. So once you will do it, you'll be able to say that it has been successfully started in the background. So you can see the background process over here by clicking on bell icon, where you can see it has already been exported. So you can just download the file by clicking on download file button. So it will automatically get downloaded into my local machine, as you can see over here. So once you will open it, you will be able to see all the test cases which I have selected would be automatically get exported to an Excel sheet with the fields like this. Now Qmetry also allow you to export your test cases or your test assets to other project, wherein you just need to select the number of test cases and click on select export to other project. So wherein you need to select the target project, wherein you'll be able to see the list of projects which have already been created into my Jira software instance, as you can see over here. So let's say I'm just moving this particular projects to a test project, wherein based upon selection of project, if there are folders being created, then you can select the target folder wherein you want to export. You can also select the sprint or the fixed version. Then there is an additional option being given, that is create metadata. So what is metadata? So metadata basically are the field values such as labels, component status, priority, or custom fields or data parameters which are not present in the target project. Then by selecting this particular option, that is create metadata, these values will be automatically created into your target project. And for custom fields, users should have an access to modify or add custom fields, and then only user would be able to migrate custom fields to other project. And if metadata option is not selected, then this fields will be automatically get ignored. Then even you can just export it with export the comments if you want to, and also the attachments. And once you click on submit, you'll be able to see that it has been automatically get exported. Herein you would be able to see in the background process, wherein you can see that it is successfully get completed. And once you'll go into, let's say this is a test project, you really would be able to see those test cases will be automatically get added. So now we are moving on to the last part of the demo or the video, wherein we are going to see how we can export your test assets to other Geometry instance. So similarly, you can just select the number of test cases which you do want to export to other Geometry instance, and select the option that is other Geometry instance, wherein you just need to type the email. The email would be of the of that particular user who is having a Jira instance which is out of your Jira software instance, or which is like different from your Jira current Jira instance which you are using. So I have already created another Jira software instance with the same email ID, which I can just mention over here. and I need to select the base URL of that particular instance, wherein I am just going to copy that particular URL over here. And based upon that, I just need to enter the API token of that particular Jira software instance. And once I'll click on next, system will ask you to add additional options. That is, if you do need to add the metadata, the same metadata which I have just described earlier when I was just trying to showcase you that how we can export it to other project. So if you will select the metadata, then it will migrate all the fields such as like labels, component status, priority, custom data parameters. If they are not present into target project, then it will automatically like create it. And for fields like such as custom fields, again, I'm mentioning that yes, user need to have access to modify or add that custom fields. And if there are any available custom fields being available, then you can just export it to other Qmetry instance which you are targeting upon. And similarly, you can just select the test case versions, whether you want to export all the test case version or the latest version. And if you do want to include the comments and the attachments, and once I click on next again, you just to select the target project. So let's say I just need to select the target project if it is being created over here, then the target folder, target sprint, then fixed version, and to whom I want to assign. And once I'll click on start export, all this particular test cases will be automatically get exported into other Qmetry instance. And if you do want to opt for the free trial of Qmetry for Jira on Atlassian, then you can just go to Marketplace and search it out for Qmetry Testman for Jira. And even you are looking for more information about the product or you are looking for an end-to-end online demonstration, then you can mail us at qtm4j@qmetry.com.